there.
Heavy end. Let's get some tree.
Huh? So I'll let that drill hanging right there.
Yeah.
Make a dash. Probably got something wrong with me. This is the top. Yep, this is top.
So here's a look at how we did some of the entry doors. So got our 2x6s and our nailers. Now these are what we just chopped off after we installed these. And I went ahead and ran some 2x6s out to connect to the post to just stiffen up that door frame a bit. Got our miniature header going across there, so that's not load bearing. So got the French doors and the two 4x4 windows. Here's a outside of how to block these in. If you're used to framing houses, then framing something like this in a post frame is a cakewalk. But overall, I think I'm really happy with how this is gonna turn out. Also got that header up there for running rafters out, so this will be a covered porch eventually. Ended up with 5 3x5 windows on this lower portion here, and upstairs where me and the wife's room will be, got a pretty big 4x6 window up there, so I think that'll be nice. But we got all them headers up there. I still gotta go through with the nail gun and hit some things, but
I'm a bad cake.
you're a bad cake. So over here on the lean-to portion, I'm gonna end up putting rafters mounted up there that come down over here to some posts. Chalk is for drawing, not eating. Well, I hope that was informational to someone or entertaining. We'll catch you guys next time.
Keep thinking.